Okay. Am I audible on the stream? Am I audible? Am I audible? It is working. Screen capture less list. Hello. Hello. Okay. I think data transfer problem. Okay. Hello. Hello. Okay. I think data transfer problem. Okay. Delay. There is some delay. हाँ मैं कर दूंगा बंदे अच्छा हाँ मैं कर दूंगा बंदे अच्छा Okay. So today I am gonna do a lead code assessment of two random question. It is actually if you go here in interview section assessment, there are it is taking time to load. Let me just connect using this. Speed test. Okay, begin. Let's begin the assessment. In the first question, it is uh, let me just read out the first uh, question. Uh, in the first in the first question, I am given question is that you are given an array of logs. Each log is a space delimited string of words where the first word is the identifier. There are two types of logs: letter logs, digit logs. All words except that identifier consist of lowercase English characters. So it will be like in the case of letter logs, the identifier will be of capital and other will be of small. Digit logs all except the identifier consist of digit. Reorder these logs as the so that the letter log comes before all the digit logs. The letter logs are sorted lexically by their content. If their content are the same, then sort them by lexically. Okay. So first of all, let's go with this. So we need to arrange it in a. So we are given a simply we are given a input array of logs. It will be a vector of string, and uh, we have two types of strings mainly. One that is combination of digits and uh, for normal characters, and one is pure characters. So our job is to rearrange them in such a way that all the logs which have characters come first before the digit logs, and in furthermore in that particular in case of character logs and let's say letter logs, we need to arrange them in a in lexically correct order. So as you see, let one here dig one is given. This is logs. Let two is given. This is log. This is dig two. There is log. Let two. This is log. Let three. This is log. So we will be like let one art. Then we will go with um art zero. You see art zero. Let two on kid dig digit. So okay, sort of from the input, I have come to a conclusion that the first character till the space space is the identifier. So first we need to find the identifier. Like let's say we can do it in many ways, but let's go with brute force first. Let's say we have declared a vector. We have a vector. Let's say much more of vector. No, let's take a priority queue. Priority queue. Let's take a priority queue. Priority queue of pair string comma string. So let's take priority queue of pair. Let's say string and string. So do we need to rearrange? Let me check first. So this is one thing. Let's say we need something more. Let's first call this pq. uh, we mu- we also need a vector of string for, let's say, digits. After this, we have two one vector and a priority queue. Priority queue is for look, if we are actually trying to store the letter logs. If we are actually trying to sort that, uh, look, first we need to have, let's say we have a array at first portion, whatever you say, first all the letter logs will come, and furthermore in that we need to sort them. So sorting them in lexical order. So we can directly use a priority queue. Like we can just store the, let's say, the string after the log. We can just store the string after the log. So it will have the smaller string at the top. I will change it, the declaration. Let me just get a declaration. mm, Chat GPT min heap in vector in CPP. So this will be it. I will call it PQ. uh, okay, so the min heap is already done. So let's just, first of all, let's just get the string a, no, sorry, logs. Now in this one, let's just, for int I 0, I less than, uh, let's say, c dot size I plus plus, if c of I is equal space, then I will just, I just need to have, also need to have the other part. So let's say log plus equal to C of I string block. So now from A plus 1. So K is equal to sub str स्टार्टिंग इंडेक्स ये होता है स्टार्टिंग इंडेक्स क्या है इसमें सी डॉट सबस्टिट्यूट स्टार्टिंग इंडेक्स क्या है इसमें आई प्लस 1 होगा ऑलवेज कॉमा सी डॉट साइज माइनस आई plus 1. So this is done. After this thing, let's just push it pq dot insert or whatever, I don't remember. So the first will be k comma log break. I have some problem here. If C of I plus 1 equal is greater than sky value of